Are you tired of feeling drained, stressed, or stuck in unhealthy habits? Imagine a life where your mind, body, and spirit are in perfect balance. That's the power of holistic health. It's about feeling amazing from the inside out. Welcome to Holistic Health and Wellness, a natural way to heal, energize, and transform your life. It's all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that add up to big results. We're talking about nourishing your body with real food, moving in ways you enjoy, and finding calm in the chaos of life. So, are you ready to unlock your health potential? Let's do this. Let's talk about food, or a glorious food. The kind that makes your taste buds dance and your body feel alive. But not just any food. We're talking about real, whole foods that nourish your body and fuel your life. Foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think vibrant fruits and vegetables, bursting with flavor and antioxidants, packed with vitamins and minerals that your body craves. Hearty whole grains that keep you satisfied, providing the energy you need to power through your day. And lean proteins that power your muscles, helping you stay strong and active. Instead of dull, processed foods, you're painting with a rainbow of colorful, natural ingredients. Each bite is a step towards better health. Swap out those sugary cereals for a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. It's a delicious way to start your day. Ditch the greasy takeout and whip up a quick stir-fry loaded with veggies and tofu. It's fast, easy, and incredibly nutritious. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing taste or enjoyment. It's about finding joy in the simplicity of real food. It's about rediscovering the deliciousness of nature's bounty and fueling your body with the nutrients it craves. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish yourself. Start small. Maybe you swap that afternoon soda for a refreshing glass of water with lemon, a simple change that makes a big difference. Or perhaps you add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie. Every little bit counts. These small steps add up to big changes over time. So ditch the processed junk and embrace the power of real, whole foods. Your body deserves the best. Your body will thank you. Your energy levels will soar. Your taste buds will rejoice. And you'll find a new appreciation for the simple, wholesome foods. You'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. Embrace the journey and enjoy every bite. All right, let's talk about the elixir of life, water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health and well-being. Think of water as your body's internal cleaning crew, flushing out toxins, transporting nutrients, and keeping everything running smoothly. When you're dehydrated, you might feel sluggish, have trouble concentrating, or even experience headaches. Aim to drink about half your body weight in ounces of water each day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. You can even add some natural flavor with slices of cucumber, lemon, or berries. Make water your go-to beverage, and your body will thank you for it. Let's talk about the magic of sleep. That glorious time when your body and mind get to rest, recharge, and repair. Getting enough sleep is just as important for your health as eating right and exercising. Think of it as your body's reset button. When you sleep, your body goes to work, repairing tissues, building muscle, and strengthening your immune system. Not getting enough shut-eye can wreak havoc on your mood, energy levels, and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. That means creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Put away those screens an hour before bed. Dim the lights. Maybe take a warm bath or read a book. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Cool, dark, and quiet. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Make it a priority, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. Let's talk about movement. It's more than just exercise. It's about finding what makes you feel alive and vibrant. And no, I'm not talking about hitting the gym for hours on end unless that's your thing, of course. Movement can be as simple as a walk in the park or a gentle yoga session. I'm talking about finding joyful movement that makes your body and mind feel good. Think about dancing, Tai Chi, or any activity that brings a smile to your face. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and social activity that you do with friends or family. It should be something you look forward to, something that energizes you and makes you feel alive. Imagine the joy of jumping with excitement or running with a big smile on your face. Whether it's dancing in your living room, where you can let loose and be yourself, going for a hike in nature, enjoying the fresh air and beautiful scenery, or trying out a new fitness class like Zumba or a boot camp session, find what brings you joy and make it a part of your routine. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can be anything that gets your heart rate up and makes you feel good. And don't be afraid to mix it up. Try strength training, cardio, yoga, Pilates. The options are endless. Each type of movement offers unique benefits. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're first starting out. It's important to build up gradually. So, get up, get moving, and find your joyful movement. The key is to enjoy the process and have fun. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be amazed at how much energy and vitality you have. Embrace the joy of movement and let it transform your life. Let's talk about stress, that ever-present part of modern life. It's something we all experience, whether it's from work, relationships, or just the hustle and bustle of daily living. While a little bit of stress can be motivating, chronic stress can wreak havoc on your physical and mental health. It can lead to issues like anxiety, depression, and even heart disease if not managed properly. The key is to find healthy ways to manage stress and find your calm in the chaos. Activities like yoga, meditation, and Tai Chi can be incredibly effective. One of the most powerful tools you have is your breath. Deep breathing exercises can help you relax almost instantly. Take a few deep breaths right now, inhaling slowly and deeply, and exhaling slowly and completely. Feel the tension melt away as you focus on your breath. Notice how your body relaxes and your mind calms. This simple practice can be done anywhere, anytime. Deep breathing exercises are like a mini vacation for your nervous system. They help reset your stress response and bring you back to a state of calm. Meditation is another powerful tool for stress management. It helps you focus your mind and find inner peace. Even just a few minutes of meditation each day can make a big difference. It can improve your mood, increase your focus, and reduce stress. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Let go of any distractions and just be present in the moment. There are also guided meditations available online or through apps. These can be a great way to get started if you're new to meditation. Journaling is another great way to process your emotions and release stress. Writing down your thoughts can help you gain perspective and clarity. Take some time each day to write down your thoughts and feelings. It can be a therapeutic way to understand and manage your stress. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. Social support is crucial for managing stress. Reach out to friends, family, or a therapist for support. Talking to someone can provide relief and new perspectives. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Make it a priority to find your calm in the chaos. Let's talk about your environment. Did you know that your surroundings can have a huge impact on your overall health and well-being? Creating a healthy and supportive environment is like giving yourself a daily dose of self-care. Think about your physical space. Is it cluttered and chaotic, or is it clean, organized, and calming? Clutter can be a major source of stress and anxiety, so take some time to declutter and organize your home or workspace. Your environment should be a sanctuary, a place where you can relax, recharge, and thrive. So, take some time to create a space that supports your health and well-being. Let's talk about the power of your mind. Your thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on your physical and mental health. Cultivating a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, and living more mindfully can transform your life from the inside out. Auditor is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Take some time each day to appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small. Write down 3 things you're grateful for in a gratitude journal, or simply reflect on them in your mind. You'll be amazed at how much this simple practice can shift your perspective and boost your mood. Mindfulness is all about being present in this moment, without judgment. It's about savoring your experiences, paying attention to your senses, and cultivating a sense of awareness. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. Choose to focus on the positive, cultivate gratitude, and live more mindfully. You'll be amazed at how much this can transform your health and happiness. Holistic health isn't a quick fix. It's a lifelong journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about listening to your body, honoring your needs, and making choices that support your overall well-being. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to major transformations. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one habit, master it, and then move to the next. The key is progress, not perfection. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your successes, and learn from any setbacks along the way. This is your journey, and you're in control. Are you ready to take control of your health and transform your life? Start today by choosing one small change from this video and commit to it. Share your progress in the comments below. We'd love to support you on your journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video on holistic wellness. Let's recharge and reset our health together.